Imagine two factories. One factory doubles all its workers and all its machines. Does output also double? Or does it increase more than double, or even less than double? The answer depends on something called returns to scale. And today we are going to understand it completely with a real numerical example. So let's begin. Before we start, let me explain what returns to scale actually means. Returns to scale tells us how output changes when we increase all inputs proportionally. The key word here is all inputs. Both capital K and labor L are increased at the same time by the same proportion. For example, if a firm doubles both workers and machines, what happens to output? There are three possible answers, and economists call these the three types of returns to scale. The first type is constant returns to scale. This happens when output increases by the same proportion as inputs. For example, if you double inputs, output also doubles. 2 workers and 2 machines gave 100 units. 4 workers and 4 machines gives 200 units. Output doubled, inputs doubled. This is constant returns to scale. In the Cobb-Douglas function, this happens when the sum of powers equals exactly 1. The second type is increasing returns to scale. This happens when output increases by more than the proportion of inputs. For example, you double inputs, but output more than doubles. 2 workers and 2 machines gave 100 units. 4 workers and 4 machines gives 250 units. Inputs doubled, but output more than doubled. This is increasing returns to scale. In the Cobb-Douglas function, this happens when the sum of powers is greater than 1. The third type is decreasing returns to scale. This happens when output increases by less than the proportion of inputs. For example, you double inputs, but output increases by less than double. 2 workers and 2 machines gave 100 units. 4 workers and 4 machines gives only 150 units. Inputs doubled, but output did not double. This is decreasing returns to scale. In the Cobb-Douglas function, this happens when the sum of powers is less than 1. Here is a very simple trick to identify returns to scale in the Cobb-Douglas function. The function is y equals a times k to the power alpha times L to the power 1 minus alpha. Add the two powers, alpha plus 1 minus alpha. If the sum equals 1, it is constant returns to scale. If the sum is greater than 1, it is increasing returns to scale. If the sum is less than 1, it is decreasing returns to scale. Write this down. It will definitely come in your exam.